Good morning, student. This is a class of geography for 6th standard. Today I am going to take lecture of chapter first of geography, the earth in the solar system. So student, you have already heard about earth on which we live, but you ever think where the earth exists? Have you observed the night sky? So, you will have noticed that some stars twinkle while some do not. Some stars form a shape and the shape of the moon change every day. Do you know the reasons behind all these things happening in the sky? So, let us find answer of this question. So, we will come to know about in this chapter this topic: evolution of the universe, constituent of the universe, explain solar system, conditions that make Earth a unique planet, and last topic, moon and the phases of the moon. So recently we are discuss about evolution of the universe. To understand universe, observe this figure. This figure shows planet existing in solar system existing in galaxy, and galaxy exist in universe. That means all these content exist in universe. So actual define of the universe. The universe is a vast space which is believed to be formed with a big explosion known as the Big Bang theory. So here will be a second point. There are billion of galaxy in the universe. Each galaxy has different name. That different name will be discussed later. So we are going to discuss about galaxy. Sorry, Big Bang theory. What is Big Bang theory? As I already told you, the universe is a vast space which is believed to be formed with a big explosion known as Big Bang theory. According to this theory, Big Bang theory is given below. Big Bang theory. According to this theory, the universe was formed 13.8 billion years ago. 13.8 billion years ago, when a huge burning ball of fire, existing matter such as gases, dust particle and other elements exploded with a big bang. Due to this explosion, all the matter formed it was thrown out with a great force in all directions. The tiny particle group together and form atom. That the tiny particle group together form atom, which are the smallest particles of the elemental matter. Then these atoms came together to form galaxy. That means the galaxy is made from these atoms. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. We now we discuss about galaxy. Sorry for inconvenience. This is the picture of galaxy. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take now. The sun also belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Sun is also included in Milky Way galaxy, and Earth also included in Milky Way galaxy. So galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust and billions of stars along with their solar systems. Here one point I forgot. You can write on your notes. The galaxy shape is Milky Way galaxy shape is spiral form. The Milky Way galaxy shape is spiral form. SPRAIL, spiral form. If you want to write, you can write it. And second important note is Earth belong to also Milky Way galaxy. Earth also belong to Milky Way galaxy. Remind it. Here we complete our topic galaxy. Now we turn to celestial body. Celestial as called in Hindi Ulka Pind. A celestial body is any natural body outside of the Earth atmosphere, such as moon, sun and other planets of our solar system. That means that is not exist in earth atmosphere, that all are outside of the earth atmosphere. These are all called these are all called celestial bodies. Star also included in this celestial body. Please write this note point. Any asteroid is space is a celestial body. Any asteroid in space, sorry for mistyping. Any asteroid in space is a celestial body. Now we move to stars. Stars. It is a kind of celestial body which are made up of hot gases and which produce their own heat and light. They are the main sources of heat and light for the planet. Please note this point. They are the main sources of heat and light for the planet. Okay. Next, the sun is one among the billions of stars in the galaxy called Milky Way, Akash Ganga. That is, Milky Way is called in Hindi Akash Ganga. The sun is also a star that belongs to Milky Way galaxy, that is called in Hindi Akash Ganga. Here is some basic point if you can to write, you write it. Light. This point is told to you how we measure distance in space. First, light travels at a speed of 3 lakh per kilometer per second. Next, the distance traveled by light in a year is called a light year. What is the unit? What unit is used to travel distance in space? Light year. Light year is the main unit to measure the distance in space. Okay. And what is the speed of light? The speed light of 3 lakh kilometer per second. Our second point is the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda Galaxy. Please note it. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest major galaxy to the Earth, which is the closest galaxy to the Earth. Okay. So you can answer of this question, Andromeda Galaxy. Here we next. So student, I think it is sufficient for today from this chapter. Now, sorry, I am going to assign some assignment question to you. You can write answer on your notebook from my lecture. Okay, you can write this question and answer them in your notebook. Thank you, class. Okay, further part we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you so much.